Hello, I'm Albion, part of the Britlish Artificial Intelligence project.
And I'm Britlicious, another innovative teaching aid from Britlish.
We're here to teach you today's phrase of today. What's today's phrase? Britlicious.
Today's phrase is to cut corners.
What does to cut corners mean? Britlicious.
To cut corners means to do something very badly, because you've tried to save time, money, or effort when doing it.
We don't cut corners here at Britlish and make sure that all of the material in the Britlish library is of the highest possible quality.
Yes, students who use the Britlish library have never complained that we've cut corners in making our English activation packs.
And nobody will ever be able to say that Britlish cuts corners when providing high-quality English learning material to our students.
If you don't believe us, get yourself a Britlish membership, or a 7-day Britlish library pass, and see for yourself.
A membership, or a 7-day library pass, will get you full, unrestricted access to the entire Britlish library of English lessons, so you won't have to cut corners when improving your English skills.
If you want more phrases of the day, click the like button and leave a comment.